Hey folks, so we're going to prove that two distinct continuous functions can't have the same average on every interval. So how can we do this? Well, first off, since these two functions are distinct, we know that there exists some number x in R, the real numbers, such that f of x is not equal to g of x, right? This means what it means for two functions to be different. And then without loss of generality, right, we can assume that f of x is strictly greater than g of x. If this isn't the case, we can just swap the letters f and g, right? No big deal. Okay, so now let's let f of x minus g of x, this is some number that's bigger than 0.